if you want to set a custom notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first thing that we need to do is go to My Files app, and then over here we can go to Audio Files. I assume that you already have the audio file on your phone. The next thing that we need to do is press and hold your finger on the audio file that you wish to set as notification sound. So I'm going to press and hold this file. Then we want to go to the bottom left corner and select Move. Tap on Internal Storage. Then here we need to scroll down and choose ringtones. Sorry, notifications. The notifications, because we have to set the notification sound. So go to Notifications and choose Move here. Once you move the file, you can go to Settings. Then over here, choose Sounds and Vibration and open Notification Sound. Then here you should be able to find your custom sound pretty much at the top of the list. So we can tap over here in order to turn it to set the custom sound. Of course, remember that you can set up a different notification sound for each SIM. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!